So today I'm going to be grinding some stumps. We got this one, just pretty big. One little Bluebird stump grinder. And there's a couple out back that I'll show you later. So let's get started. So that's definitely good enough. I'm just going to backfill it with some compost. Make this nice and level, nice and smooth. Pick all this up. And then I got 4 little guys out back that I'm going to take care of. So all I'm going to be doing is just taking all the mulch, dumping it out back, taking some compost out of their pile on the way back. Save myself a couple trips. But over the course of the time, I'll just keep blowing into the driveway because that's the easiest place to clean it up. All right. So I also got these 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. I don't see those taking me as long as it took me to do that pine. So all I'm gonna do here is just grind them down flush, and then I'll just leave it for the landscapers to fill in with some loam. Alright, these three are all ground down. Just blew it all in the yard. So the landscapers will come in and clean it all up and throw some loam on top of it and some seed, call it a day. So that's your Bluebird stump grinder right there for you. It's a workout for sure, but at the price point and the work that you can do with it, as you just saw, it's well worth it. Alright, have a good day.